Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Just when I was a kid, what happened? You should be very proud. Actually, I forgot. Gas spots right there. So get the gas. Before we add gas, we're gonna add a little bit of octane booster. Help us go from kind of like a 93 or a 91 to a 93, you know. Welcome back, guys. We made it up to Riverside area, and now we're maybe like 5 minutes away from Adams Motorsports. Like I said, time to gas up a little bit, make sure that we're track ready. We're still maybe about 30 minutes early from meeting up with the guys, so we're gonna hang out, probably get a little bit of food, across the street over at Carl's Jr., and stay ready, never have to get ready. Oh look, they finally arrived. Hank and Chris, with his squeaky racing brakes. Get a little too close to my car, Hank, we're gonna have a problem. What's going on, Mr. Yamfang?
Not much. We can drive.
Yeah?
Not too bad.
It's gonna be a good day?
Yeah, I think so.
That's right. Alright, so we still got a little bit of time before we open up, but yep. Getting ready to go sign up right now. There's only a few of us out here right now, so hopefully that'll be good. We get a little bit more track time for ourselves. So we're finally all registered. We're just waiting for the rest of the guys to come outside, and we're gonna go and pop the hoods and get ready for race. I'm excited, I'm not gonna lie.
Ready to go, Chris?
Yeah, man. Rusty, but we'll gotta get off the rest.
Good. All right, drive fast, drive safe. All right, our boy Tommy's up next
Yes, sir.
for his first lap ever.
Yeah.
Doing some performance driving.
Yep, I'm ready. I think my whole life was made for this moment. So it's time to get it.
Awesome.
Time to get it. You, I'm coming for you.
It looks like Chris got in trouble. He did one too many laps for his qualifying. All right, see it. Yeah. Yeah, he's a pretty good driver. We've been wanting to get him out here.
So I made a few mistakes on my very first hot lap ever. So misshifted once, tires weren't warmed up, so wasn't able to really get the grip that I wanted to, but I promise you guys on the next run it's gonna look a lot cleaner. Hank is up next. Well, next out of the S2000s. We obviously have an Audi in front of him, but next out of the S2000 run. So, how you feel?
Hot.
Hot?
Hot out right now, yeah.
Yeah, it is low-key.
I put on my GoPro, but the problem is this sticks up, so I can't even put the top up when it gets hot. So I have to leave it down pretty much until I take that mount off. But
burner.
Yeah, at least I can have my top down. It's kind of a bummer that you guys can't.
Yeah, you know, it's all right. Roll cage is coming soon. Stay tuned to the channel.
Awesome.
Okay guys, so we met some new friends today out on the track with the Mazda Miata, and we have
Frank.
And also Fernando.
Yeah.
So nice to meet you guys first and foremost, but second, tell me about the Miata that you guys have.
Well, it's a 2017 Mazda Miata MX-5. It's a club version. It doesn't have the Brembles, doesn't really need them. It's good as it is. Has a full Flying Miata suspension kit that has a Fox Racing suspension, upgraded front and rear sway bars, upgraded front tower bar. What else?
Are we able to see underneath the hood?
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna lie, this Miata makes me actually want a Miata. I know I've been a real big S2000 guy, but I mean, just seeing how clean this thing is, dude, it's so hard not to want one. Like, I can't believe it. Like, he's done everything right to this car to make this thing just look super nice, super clean. So definitely got to say I'm definitely jealous of this Miata. And I never thought in the world that I'd say that, but oh my God, like, you guys, just look, it's an S2000 with all the amenities and then some.
That's pretty much it, man, pretty much. It has a Motorsports race muffler for exhaust, Mishimoto intake, but I mean, there's really not much you have to do to this car. I mean, the biggest upgrade I've done so far is the tires.
Okay.
Tires
Okay.
are the best upgrade so far, aside from the suspension. But it feels really tight out here. First day out on the track, but it gives you so much confidence. I know there's so much more time out there to get, but we'll work on it. We have still the rest of the morning to get it. So.
All right. Well, let's let the tires warm up, and we'll see what times we get. All right. Yeah. Cool. Kill it, guys!
Don't mind the coffee stand. I left this coffee on my roof when I took off. Bam! He's like, there goes my coffee.
You ready? Yep. You ready? Go ahead.
Alright guys, how are you guys liking the track day so far?
Wearing up the tires is a little more fun.
That's right. Hank?
A lot of fun. It's just super hot, so I'm generally peaking around like third, fourth laps. And then I think after that, the tires, the brakes, even me, is just too fatigued.
Giving out.
So it's still fun. It's just hard to sit down and get time and stuff like that. But yeah, it's been cool. It's awesome out here. Awesome value too.
That'll work. Would you guys come back?
Hell yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, absolutely. This place is awesome.
Would you guys only hit the time attack days, or would you guys come back for an actual drift day?
The drift days? I want to do the drift day. I want to try the drift days, but our cars aren't good for drifting, especially the AP ones are harder to drift. So I want to find a car that we can come out here drift and not be too worried about it and stuff like that. That'd be really cool.
Okay.
Yeah, something like you know, buy Community 350Z like our buddies have been talking about. Something like that would be a lot of fun.
Christian, we're waiting for you. Damn guys, we had a hell of a day today. Learned so much about the S2000, just driving it, no traction control. I horseshoed a couple of times. Thank God I didn't break into any barriers or smash into anything, but I'm so happy I had this opportunity to come out here and drive this thing. Yeah, next time that they have another event like this, me and the guys are definitely gonna make our way out here for this. This was definitely an awesome experience. But once again, thank you guys very much for tuning into the channel. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. You guys know what I'm talking about. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, if you guys can, come out to Adams Motorsports as well. Come enjoy this awesome track. Just learn your car, learn the track, have a great time. You won't regret it, I promise you that much. Until next time, guys, we're out.